After retirement, Abdul Kalam came to me, he asked me how we prepared. I want to prepare vision document for the nation. Then I called him. We had a lunch meeting. We explained all the details. Up to that time, if you see, technology is not matured. I started IT. Nobody imagined why I am talking about IT. Then I started IT, first time, internet revolution has come, world has become a global village. Before that, what America is doing, we don't know. After 3 days, 4 days, we used to know in papers, late news. That is where I networked with Bill Gates. I asked his appointment. Then he told me, I don't have any work with politicians. First of all, that is the impression about politician. Politician does not know anything. Why should we waste our time? We are business people. Then I told him, I am having something to share with you. Give me 10 minutes. With great difficulty, he told me, you come, join in cocktail party. Today, at least, if you join cocktail party, we are having some credibility. Nobody will believe. At that time, if you join immediately, we will be branded as party in that angle. So I told him, then with great difficulty, he gave me 15 minutes. Always, we are also very strong persons among us. At that time, one of my secretary, very strong secretary, what all I say, he will put it on presentations, everything. Then we prepared one of the best presentation. Then I gave around 14 to 15 slides, not more than that. Always, I believe, 12 to 15, maximum around 15. I gave my vision. After seeing my vision, he told me, I entirely agree with you. What can I do for you? I don't have any work with you. If at all you are willing, you cannot ignore India. India is very strong in two aspects. One is we are strong in mathematics. Zero innovated by Indian. Second one, British, they took even my Kohinoor diamond, but they left English to us. These are all deadly combinations for IT. He entirely agreed with me. You are 100% right. We will work together. Then I asked him, if you are having any flexibility, you start your Microsoft Development Center in Hyderabad. He told me, we are in only Seattle. I don't have any plans as on now. Let us work. I didn't leave at that stage. Then I went to Seattle. I met him in Davos. Finally, he came to Hyderabad. He started his development center. In development centers, Nadella Satya, employee of that development center, has become president of that company. That is the initiative our Indians are having. Earlier, I am only the person to go to Davos. Continuously, I used to visit all these things. This is only history. Technology, here also, all of us has to understand. In the beginning, our Indian politicians or bureaucracy didn't understand technology, underestimated. We had at that time VSNL, BSNL monopoly, public sector. Great statesman, Vajpayee ji. I forced him. I had a good political clout also at that time, 35 MPs. That also helped me. He also made it very clear. Then we paid liberally for all shareholders dividend. Then we have gone for reforms. Even my opposition at the time, they used to attack me only one thing. We are all asking pump set. You are talking cell phone. How can you justify? Then I used to tell them, we need cell phone, we need pump set, I am working for both. Today you are watching AI, data centers, quantum. We are in different league. That first mover advantage for India. Today I can say very proudly, we missed agriculture revolution. We missed industrial revolution. We are able to encash service sector revolution because of information technology and supporting other economic activities. Now, all of us are here. I had a bitter experience about GSDP. Around 2014, my officers are unable to understand what is GSDP, even including my planning secretary at that time. Then I used to sit with experts and those who are calculating in Delhi. Only Delhi planning used to do. Even state governments may adopt or may not adopt. Sometimes we are not in a position to discuss. First time I started discussing GSDP, preparing all sectors, quarterly collectors conference and head of the departments I used to discuss. With that discussion, if you see, we are able to grow 13.5% GSDP CAGR. And also, at that time, ease of doing business, total computerization, then going on reviewing dashboard. For 5 years, first year we are number 2 after Gujarat. After that, always we are number 1 in ease of doing business. Of course, today we have changed the gear. I am talking about speed of doing business. Always innovation has to come. Otherwise, you will be stalemate. In this, I am very happy I have heard about your views. Data. Future is only data-driven governance or data-driven decision-making. Data is wealth, according to me. You are having proper data. You will arrive a real solution for execution, for monitoring, for corrective measures. Always I used to say, there is no proper data. If you feed computer garbage, garbage will come. If you feed proper data, nothing like that, on health or education or anything for that matter, agriculture, everything, it is a big game changer. Now for the last 2 years, my planning department is doing exercise. We are going slowly, earlier yearly, then we made it an exercise quarterly. Now every quarter we are having a collectors